morning everyone, welcome to my channel. Natalia here with you, and we have unboxing of diamond painting today. So I have in here what you see, it's at 3 different stores, and I would love to, I will probably upload every day different video like in a row. I don't want to wait till next week because we usually do this on Thursday. So I'm going to upload Thursday, Friday, Saturday, one video for each store, and I want to start with this one because they all were wrapped in a extra bag, but in this this went really demolished. If you can see, the packaging got very damaged, very squished, so I have no idea if anything inside went, survive. So at this point I don't even know from which store. You probably will see much faster than me from the title of this video, but there is two boxes in here and this one is really poor, so I'm kind of, I don't know, I should pull out, but I mean, we have to get for real. This has been a long time ago that I've received package like this, so hopefully whatever is on the inside will be not as bad. Okay, so we have a diamonds and tools. This is square diamonds and canvas. Oh my god, it's actually you know what, good thing it's a small canvas, so it did not have any damage into it. Oh my goodness, this is really make me happy because the box is absolutely waste. There's nothing really left from this box, but design, it's a little design, but look at that, canvas in a perfect condition, just the folds kinda. And we have in here a little Pegasus or unicorn, whatever that is, in purple colors. When I saw this colors, immediately I thought about 3 of the ladies of my lovely subscribers who really love purple colors, and I thought, that's it, I'm gonna get this one for the review just because I love you, and I thought, oh, you know, maybe you will like this design as well. So with this one we have, okay, so, oh, sorry about that. So yes, ArtDear, that's what we have unboxing from. And you know what, I did show you, hold on, I'm gonna show you something just for in case you are very new to my channel. Recently I uploaded video in my shorts from ArtDear. Hold on, I showed you my very sparkle video that I just finished, this design that I didn't really show on my channel as like a regular video, but only in the shorts I created with the music outdoors that you would see like a nice sparkles. So this is the company that we've reviewed today, and this is my finish first finished project since the store is open. It's a brand new store, and look at this, how gorgeous, how beautiful this looks right now on the camera as I look like real flowers. It looks so much better on camera, so when I put this on a wall it will be such a beautiful shine. And this design have humongous amount of AB diamonds. See this pink background, it's a diamond painting of AB. All this portion in here, look at this, of AB diamonds. They are very generous with on this color. It looks so good. So I was really impressed, and this was my very first design for the review, and I was hoping to finish as soon as possible just to verify how this looks like. And diamonds sit very beautiful on this design, so nothing is got like no pop and drills, no pushy drills, everything is good. So right now, because I am collecting kind of all my finishes just to give you a little bit of preview, because I will do on the end of season, on the beginning of the summer, I will create video of seasonal web parade. So at this time I want to add my diamond painting projects. So this is going to be for my showcasing of finished projects as well, not just a cross stitch. So that's why I kind of keep it in here close to me. When you want to wrap it, make sure that diamonds up, so it doesn't have a pushing and popping them away. That's how I store for now in here. And then later I will put them to the rest of my diamonds that I already finished long time ago. So that's the thing that I wanted to show you. And this I believe, you know, on the end of the season I will have a whole bunch of other ones finished. So this one is very tiny, 30 by 40 centimeters, but this is like just together with the canvas as well, so the printed area would be much smaller. And how smaller, let me grab my ruler so I can tell you what's the printed area in here. You can finish this design very quickly. So if we look in centimeters, the printed area is 24, well, almost 25, let's say. And in here it's 30, 35, so 25 by 35. No, hold on, not right. So this is 40, this should be 40. Okay, let's count the actual the whole thing. I want to see if it's correct. Yeah, definitely. Okay, so yes, it is. So it's like a 5 centimeters for 2.5 from each side, I would say, to go on a border. So yeah, 30 by 40 is the whole thing together. Now, what kind of tools we have in here? We have 3 placer with 1 placer, and we don't have a grippy with this one. Piece of wax, the cheap style tweezers, and a smaller tray. Okay, let me show you. Oh, glue is gorgeous, and print is really good. It looks dark, but let me show you more close. Look at the beautiful print and the glue quality. You see that? Amazing. So even this destroy box, we still have an amazing canvas to look for. And here it is, the Pegasus or unicorn. I don't know, not sure. So let's see in here what kind of diamonds this is, or this is just a regular. Oh no, I can see it's one AB diamonds, have 3 colors, and I don't know if any other ones or just the AB. So let's check it out, what kind of colors. We do have all diamonds already packed into the Ziploc bags. Oh, there you go, and here is your AB diamonds, 3 colors. All in purples, because obviously all design in purples. So they are packed so nice in here. Just 3 colors of AB. There you go. Gorgeous, gorgeous. I'm not going to put on a tray right now because we've been doing this all the time, and it's basically same diamonds very often. There's some like a nice and bright colors up there. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful. Looks like beautiful quality of diamonds, nicely square. How much we can see, but I mean, you saw my finished design. It looks really, really good. I like it. I did have fun working on that one. And let's see if we can see a little bit better. In here we can see in the picture like a pinkish wings, so the picture will be much more details. Even it's a small design, but you need to remember that you can choose your size. I believe there's many different sizes up there that you can pick. And also you can use my discount code and save some money. The discount code will be in the description box under the video. Don't forget to check it out, because I believe it's a 10%, I believe, maybe, or 15. Oh my goodness, I can't remember now, but I think it's 10%. So check it out. It will be up there in the description box. Okay, now let's check it out what we have in the other box, because I have no idea. I can't remember what's in here. This one looks like maybe got squished a little bit because it bent in here, but thanks to this velvet fabric canvases, it shouldn't be big deal. Or this is not velvet. What is this? No, looks like it is. Oh, feels like something peacock. Look at these feathers. Oh, I cannot remember what I ordered. So let's see. Yes, it is. It's a velvet backing. Look at this canvas. So it didn't have a very big damage actually. It's actually not bad. Just a little bit folds, but they are very easy to smooth it out. That's why good to have these canvases. And yeah, a little bit dents in here from the box, but that's fine. That's fine. All right, this one I can see we have some fairy dust diamonds. You see that? Glittery. Okay, here's the, oh, this is not a peacock bird, which we do have a peacock bird in here, but it's a peacock goddess, the girl. Let's see picture. Okay, I'm going to put this back in here, and we can see diamonds this way. So what we have in here, I see one. Well, we have to check it out how many colors of the fairy dust we have in here. So 50 by 75 centimeters. I see that this is square diamonds as well. And how many colors? Oh, did I mention how many colors? Another one I don't think I mentioned. I forgot to say. It's 35 colors in here on a purple unicorn. 35. And this one has 45 colors. Ooh, nice. 45 colors. Look at this design. How gorgeous. She has a, let's focus, peacock dress, birds around her, and face very pretty. So let's check it out, her on the canvas. And we have a same set of tools, so we're not going to open. And let's check it out. Oh, I see one diamond escape in here. Ready? This one is a bigger one. Oh wow, that is so pretty. That is so pretty. Her dress, look at that. Well, hopefully her arms not gonna be as dark like in here, symbol printed. And here is her face to get off reflection. Look at her beautiful crown, the necklace. She is so stunning on a website. Go on a website and check it out, because pixelated design on a canvas, you're not going to see actual details if you would see just the actual picture, not the pixelated in program. Her dress is gorgeous. Ooh, how much I would love to have here mix of diamonds, not just the fairy dust, but also with the crystal rhinestones for her jewels, for example, like her crown and her necklace. That would be amazing to have some extra special bling bling on her feathers in here. That would be nice. Her dress is so pretty, so pretty. Look at that. Kind of hard to see the whole thing. She is gorgeous. Oh, look at that. So let me see in here. We have in those special 3 colors of fairy dust. So let me pull out. I see them in blue, black, and what would be the other color? Something dark, looks like a green. Oh, here it is. Dark green. That's the fairy dust diamonds. And then we have black one. And big bag of blues. That's nice. That's gonna be beautiful for the blue spots on her dress. Maybe and a birds in here. Let's see what kind of 45. That would be arrow up. Yeah, so the bird will get in here and she will have on her dress as well. So yeah, this is going to be extra sparkle. That's pretty. That's pretty. Canvas looks beautiful. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. So now when I finish my first diamond painting from this store, I have to figure out which one I should do again to have at least one whip in my hold on, let me just move the chair away a little bit. What kind of design I should do again. So if you go and look on my unboxings from ArtDear, you can pick from me from which unboxing we should do whip again, because I would love to have something in my whips from this store as well, as you know, since I already finished one. So I would love to hear from you. Wow, she's gorgeous. Or this little unicorn, so I don't know. This one would be very quick to finish, but I would love to hear your opinion. Alright, my friends, so now here it is, our 2 beautiful designs for today. And I will have tomorrow I will do unboxing again. If I decided to make a mix and match like diamond paint and cross stitch, then I will upload second video if I will have a time to record. If not, this is it what we have today. And tomorrow come back again and you will see more amazing diamond painting art. And I'm looking forward what's in my other designs in boxes up there. So I will see you tomorrow. So thank you so much, ArtDear. I'm so glad that packaging did not mess up with my designs. And this one little borders, that's okay. It's easy to just iron or leave it flat for a little bit and will go okay. All right, it's okay for today. That's it. We'll see you tomorrow.